So over this aquarium here, I've got the 16,000 Kelvin Maxspect razor on this side, which is basically emulating deep water, perfect for any of your live corals. It's very blue in spectrum, so it brings out all the beautiful metallics of the corals. And then on this side, I've put the 8,000 Kelvin Maxspect razor, which has a different combination of diodes emulating shallower water. And as you can see in this video, the greens come out very beautiful under the 8,000, and the blues and the metallics come out very beautiful under the 16,000. Now if you're going to have a coral reef aquarium, particularly for large polyp or soft corals, you would generally gravitate towards this one, which is the 16,000. There is also a 10,000, which is a little bit more in between, perfect for acroporas or any shallow water corals. That's corals like these ones that tend to be a shallow water coral, so therefore appreciate the lower Kelvin rating spectrum. And then if you wish to have plants, so therefore a freshwater aquarium or a saltwater aquarium with macroalgae for that matter, then you might go for the 8,000. So these units come in 8,000, 10,000 and 16,000. So you can very clearly see the color difference in this video of the difference between an 8,000 Kelvin and a 16,000 Kelvin. So higher Kelvin rating means more blue, which emulates deep. Lower Kelvin rating equals much more bright or much yellower, and that's emulating shallow, because the sun is about 5,500 Kelvin, so a couple of meters under the water, and you've got 8,000 Kelvin. Then as you go deeper, your Kelvin rating increases, and that's why it's bluer, because the penetration is different. And the reason why I love these units here is because they're the first to really have the 420 nm chips, which are the exact spectral peak that corals require. And then if you want a really top end light, you might decide to go for the Maxspect Ps, which have a XP chip, Cree XP, and they are much more powerful. So they're your top end. So if you want top end, you go for the P series run by a computer, and if you want the value for money, you probably go for the razors, and they're a very smick looking light, as you can see. And you can either mount them on the top of the aquarium, or you can use the hanging kit, such as what we've done here. So there's the difference, 16 and 8,000 Kelvin.